Practicing the basic slide in Ashi and doing it safe. One of the biggest things at the, what I say beginning, is making sure you land in the right spot. I've seen people land like hard flat on their back. I've seen people overthrow. And what I would prefer is right around this section. So this should be your goal. No matter how the starting grip is, whether you have the collar tie, inside control, outside control, like try to land here, right? Because if I'm too high, okay, so if I'm here and I try to come up and get a bite on the legs, like it's going to be very difficult, right? And this is the big issue, is when you land, if you're in the wrong spot, then you have to do a bunch of micro adjusting. You might miss the moment. The perfect slide in Ashi, you're landing where it's around the pec area, around the armpit area. So when you do fire that bite up, right, your knees are above his knee line. Okay, so when I'm here, that's when my hips are more mobile. I can fire the hips up, get here, have that bite, get the knock over, ready to start attacking. So going from standing, how we're going to do that safely is, what I want from my partner is he's going to engage his hips and he's just going to be like a T-Rex, right? So as we're going to the ground, he's just staying based, letting me fall down slow. And that way, just like anything from standing, I don't have to worry about hard impact over and over and over again. It's just too much of a wear. So I'm coming in, I get inside control, collar tie, and then all I'm going to do, right here, he's going to engage. I'm going to step in, so my feet are going to be inside his feet, and then I come down slow. As we're here, he's stopping me from falling back. If he just let go right now, he's the only thing keeping me up, right? So when we're here and he's holding me up now, I'm just going to pull and push. So I'm pushing with my feet, and I'm pulling with my hands, and I'm bringing him up to here. Okay, so now you see how he ended up in the right spot for me. I let go of the upper stuff, I grab down here and here, and then I can rotate back for the bite. So back up, I step in for my tie, step in, slowly drop, throw them and push, come up for the bite. Okay, and you practice this over and over. It's a guard pull and an attack entry mixed in one. So you're in, boom, throw, and in. Subscribe, buy my shit.